Tulsa Welding School is making available technology students can apply in the workforce. Hobart filler metals are good. They meet all the requirements that they need to meet, and they're consistent. We use Hobart 6010 for our stick rod, or to put our bead in our pipe or plate, and we use the Hobart 7018 for our filler metal 2-fill and 2-cap width.
The 610s, they're good. They're smooth, they don't fingernail. The 7018s, they burn real great.
I think Hobart filler metals are pretty easy to use. They lay down decent welds.
Filler metals, stick and TIG wire, quality of the weld, uniformity, consistency, that's the main thing to look for.
The Hobart rods that we use here at Tulsa Welding School, I don't have no complaints at all.